Don't. Is that the same one that? Yeah. No skunk today, baby. Woo. Woo. Beautiful bass. Yeah.
No skunk today, baby.
No skunk today, baby. Oh, next one.
Now look, bobbers down, 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5.
Got 'em. Oh, you need a net? I got the net ready. Right here, baby. Holy. It's a fighter again. Man, you catching the big ones. Bring her home. Bring her home, baby.
Oh, this bitch. Look at that bitch. Hey, bitch. Hey, bitch.
Hold that up to the camera. Hold that up to the camera. Damn. Juicy.
Juicy.
Ooh. Oh, yeah.
You said bitch.
Kiss it. Make out with it.
Bitch. You give good head. I'm putting back in the water, just hold still.
There he goes. Nice. Nice fish. Fat one. I could smell it from here. Where's your line at? Like, I can go.
Hopefully I pulled it off. Well, I must be in the rod. You got it?
Yep. Oh, feels good. It feels good, or it's hung up? No, I have a fish on. I have a fish on.
Get the fish back out.
I got it. Feels light now.
Passing the net. Need some help?
I see it. It's right here. I'm gonna get it. Actually, I'm gonna bring it to you. Actually, I got it.
You got it?
Is this a spot? It's a spot. I don't know my species. Nice.
I don't like my worm.
Oh yeah, beautiful fish.
He might be spotted.
I think it's spotted, yeah. Nice. Kiss. Kobe!
Well, I'm drop shotting. I'm just not drop shotting it.
You haven't fished a Senko yet. Oh, I think I have one.
I haven't, but I wanted to get in a different kind of terrain, you know? Lord, monster.
Oh, it's just a fighter. Oh, don't get off, please. No, don't get off. Don't get off, please. For the 5th time, please don't come off. Yeah, oh no.
Come on, dude.
Oh my god. This fish is nuts. Alright.
Oh,
God. Oh man, 3rd fish of the day, 4 misses, another spot. I'm gonna take a picture of this one. Damn, so pretty. All right, slow release. Thanks, that was funny. That was fun. Yeah, baby. You deserve a beer for that.
Nice one too.
Got a beer in one hand and a net in the other.
Hold it.
Put her there. That's a largemouth.
Yeah, but he ain't cooperating. You got it?
First largemouth of the day.
Second, I think. I deserve a beer for that.
You deserve a beer for that. Woo, that's a nice one. Damn. Juicy. Oh man.
Nice one, huh?
That is a nice one.
Well, they're just 2 pounders though. But if I can make double,
Yeah. Don't flip, buddies.
I'm thinking it's your worm, man. I don't think they like my worm.
Fourth fish of the day. One more till my limit.
I'm just thinking they like your worm.
Woo, baby. Beautiful bass.
Back it up, back it up.
Nice. Damn.